Hello, today we are explaining about ASA screwdriver. This is ASA air screwdriver. So these screwdrivers are designed ergonomic, defined well because if you see the shape is egg-shaped body, so that operator can hold easily all day long. Because a round shape gives a stress on our arm. These screwdriver can be forward and reverse using this switch. They are specialized, to change the torque by rotating clockwise, anti-clockwise. And these screwdrivers come with the cover, so that on the production line people should not change the torque. No, torque cannot be changed because the regulating handle is inside. These are also, along with this screwdriver, the clip and the color code rings. Color code rings are put over here in this groove, so that different setting torque can be differentiated on the production line. The screwdriver has a very special clutch mechanism which is instantly shut down, which will give you the accuracy while tightening your screws. And also this the air motor is very highly efficient. It will consume almost 50% the air power as compared to available market tools. Now after this we will show you how it is operating.